You bought a brightening cream, you applied it religiously, you apply it morning and night, you even prayed over it. Instead for you to be glowing, you're showing shades that your ancestors did not approve of. Precious, if this is your story, sit tight, because I am here to tell you why that brightening cream is making you darker instead for you to make it brighter. Reasons why your skin is backsliding instead for you to be going forward like you want it to go. You want your skin to be brightened. Remember, we are not bleaching here. We're not talking about bleaching, we're not talking about lightening, we're talking about brightening. So if you are dark, that lotion is not supposed to change your skin tone. It's supposed to brighten your dark skin shade. So now, one of the reasons why you are getting darker instead for your skin to be brightened by the product that you bought is one, you are using brightening products that are just marketing sugar-coated lies. Some of these products are just bleaching cream in disguise. You will see some disguise like tone corrector, glow lotion, skin polish, but the ingredient is reading chemical lab plus trauma. Results you are going to be getting from such products is that one, you will destroy your melanin. Yes. Two, your skin will get weak and thin, they will thin out. And then three, the sun will be laughing at you. Darker patches will start appearing. Melasma, sunburn, all those numerous things you get from exposing your skin to the sun after you've already made it sensitive because of those chemical lab ingredient products that you used. Number two reason why your skin is getting darker is for it to be brightened according to your brightening products. Two, no sunscreen equates no peace. Your skin cannot have peace when you, Precious, and a man has refused to apply sunscreen. I don't know what is it with people without applying sunscreen. You know, some people say, it's raining, I do not go out, I stay only indoors. You have no idea the capability of the sun. The sun radiation, it will penetrate your walls, penetrate your windows, penetrate your roof, and it will come and get to your skin. And your skin will be tanning slowly. Before you know it will be worse, you now start running for way to start treating hyperpigmentation. Don't let it be your story. Not wearing sunscreen and using products that are formulated with those ingredients is like wearing white at a tomato party. You are literally exposing your exfoliated sensitive skin to Nigerian sun. You don't like that your skin. And the sun will be happy to clap back at you with hyperpigmentation. Number three reason why your skin is getting darker, but you are using a brightening product. You are over exfoliating your skin as if your skin is a wall that you are scrubbing. Why are you over exfoliating that skin? Exfoliating your skin is good until your skin barrier files for divorce. If your skin feels tight, flaky, itchy after every week, congratulations, because you have successfully scrubbed your skin into sadness. Damaged barrier equates more inflammation. And when your skin is inflamed, you're sending signals to the melanocytes. They will secrete more melanin because they want to protect that part of the skin. So when they now send signal and melanin comes, your skin is definitely going to be darker. So that is just it. That is in simple terms, damaged barrier equates more inflammation, equates more melanin, equates darker skin. So that's why your skin is getting darker instead of it to be brightened. So number four, another reason why your skin might be getting darker is hormones or stress. Sometimes it is not your cream. It is your hormones, your lifestyle that is just playing with you. You know, whatever your body is doing from within, it will show on the surface of your skin. Yes. So stress triggers cortisol, and cortisol increases melanin. So if try to have some baby girl lifestyle for yourself, go to a spa, go for swimming, just relax yourself. Look for something that you can do to ease off stress in your life. Don't be overstressed, pressure. Take care of yourself. Another reason why your skin might be getting darker is because you are mixing products. Why are you mixing your products as if it is a cocktail party? In the morning, you mix vitamin C, mix retinol, mix hydroquinol, mix scrub, sinalmucin, because TikTok says so. Stop it. You are confusing your skin. Even your skin pores will be wondering, auntie, what is going on? Sir, what is going on? I have given you reasons why that skin is getting dark. Now, how can we treat it?